YouTube. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cell phone charger if your cell phone charger port does not work. As you can see, I have mine plugged in and it does not turn on. I'm making this for a listia user in regards to a phone like this that the charger port does not work at all. Okay, so what you do is you unhook the charger from it first. Then you take a USB charger and you strip the wire and you make it where just the black and red wires are showing. And pop off your battery cover and open up your battery. From there, you'll take this and you'll touch the black to this side and the red to this side. Sometimes it's really a pain to get them in. Once they're in, it actually works. Alright, now let's see if I put it in right.